Okay, let's wait. They're rejoining. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm. So, okay, like select high poly, right click, add object. So now it's part of high poly layer. You have to add it to that layer. Or if you're creating a new layer, for like you have a selection, like I've selected this and I'm creating a new layer. So you have to click on this last option, create a new layer and assign selected object. If I click on this, it will create a new layer, and this part is part of this layer now. So rest everything I want, anything I want to add, I have to select that and right click, add to this layer. I have to add it,
Yes.
right? Like now you have this cloth piece. This can be a simple plane. All these folds and everything you don't have to create. If you could, like there like nowadays we use in game like especially in triple A games, we use mid poly models, we don't use low poly model. But you should know how to create a low poly. Low poly is like, suppose I have very tight budget. In that case, I won't create all these grooves in my low poly. I'll create a cylinder and then bake it,
Yes.
right? So those decisions you have to take,
Yes.
because this will bake easily. This will bake like all the information. If you have a cylinder, it will bake without any problem.
Yes.
So uh, इसका कुछ करो. This is like, oh, this is weird. This is nice. This, your character looks nice. This gun looks really bad. या तो गन को मॉडिफाई करो, और मे बी या तो इसको डिलीट मारो. This looks bad, like as compared to this looks nice. This looks bad.
सर ये
And huh, hello.
थोड़ा, हाँ सर वो थोड़ा बजूका जैसा कुछ था।
हाँ नहीं,
Okay.
बजुका जैसा था, बट ये अजीब सा नहीं लग रहा तुम्हें? ये कोई डिटेल नहीं है, कोई
सर
शेप
उसमें
नहीं.
डिटेल मैंने वो नहीं किया था जीब्रश में एक्चुअली।
नहीं, इसका इवन वॉल्यूम वाइज एंड एवरीथिंग आई कैन सी इट्स नॉट लाइक स्मूथ इनफ.
हाँ वही।
एंड इनको तुमने सिमेट्री नहीं किया अभी तक.
सर कॉपी।
लाइक क्या कॉपी?
सर मुझे लगा कॉपी कर सकते हैं अपन बाद में, लाइक
ये हाँ
माया।
बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं, बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं. सो देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम इन इट. तुम यू कैन कॉपी इट इन माया और जी ब्रश. सो लाइक ट्रेडिशनली व्हाट वी डू इज, when we creating high poly, we try to create a complete high poly. Like in my
यस।
model also, if you remember, what I did is my entire leg, hand, and all those gun, everything is like symmetry, right? But in high poly, I just worked on only one side and then mirrored it. That's it. So that in case I have to showcase my high poly, I can render that high poly directly and showcase it. So
यस सर।
in right now, what is happening here is, you have a high poly, one side detail, but it's like incomplete detail. You just mirror it and keep it here, so you have a nice high quality detailed high poly also,
यस सर।
right? So it will look nice. So you can showcase your high poly, your low poly, and then your texture. So you have three stages, because in gaming we have three to four like there are like basically four stages. First, you create a high poly or a blocking. Then that blocking is basically acts
हेलो
as a base for your high poly and low poly. Hello, can you hear me?
सर।
Yes,
सर
sir.
वॉइस ब्रेक।
Achha, so
यस सर।
it will slow. So what you can do is, you can create a full complete high poly. Then that's a your showpiece. You can showcase. Then you can have a Low poly, nicely defined, everything, all shape, geometry, everything done. No unwanted loops, no unwanted edge, nothing. Then you bake it. Baking, you get like all transfer all the high poly detail to a low poly model. Then you create a texture. So you have like 4 stages basically. So every stage needs to complete, right? So agar suppose now, because for rendering, because suppose you have a model, undo this. Undo is like, okay, it's getting back my entire
सर
file. Yes.
सर बट जो फ्रंट का विंग्स है, अगर अपन उसको मिड पॉली नहीं करना है, तो जो छोटा सा जो चेस्ट है उसको अपन को पुश करना पड़ेगा ना, लाइक बेक के लिए.
नहीं, बेक के लिए मॉडल को पुश नहीं करना है, केज को पुश करना है. In substance we have this under
लाइक
cage,
जिस
front distance and back distance option is there, right? Hello.
यस सर.
Huh.
Yes, sir.
So that distance we have to push, we don't have to
हेलो.
push the model. If you're creating a low poly refined shape, in that case you have to
Oh.
match it perfectly, otherwise it won't bake. But if you are not, if you have a flat surface, okay, I'll show this thing with okay, just give me a second. I'll get this thing out clear. Let's see. I'll take a plane, 3D plane. Okay. Now control D multiple times. Oh, so I have to poly mesh 3D. Let's control D again. So it's pretty high poly shifter. Now, suppose I want to create something here. So just give me a second. I'll download a height map or some displacement or something. I guess I have a nice displacement in my local drive. This one. Where is that? I guess I have deleted it. Hmm. I just download this. Just give me a second. Save image. Okay, now I have this one. I'll go drag rectangle, import desktop, this one. So if I drag it to Z minus focal length 0, you see I can create this thing very easily. So I created this surface. You can see there is a volume. So this is, suppose this is my high poly. I have all these detail, defined detail and everything in my high poly. But in my low poly, all these details are not there. It's just a plane. So I can have a plane and I can bake this thing very easily. So what I'll do is, now after doing this, I'll decimate my model.
Sir,
Yes.
What happen if you don't do decimate?
No, nothing will happen. Like decimate, what why we do so to optimize the mesh. Because otherwise, like you can see, like in my model, it went to 20 million, right? So 20 million.
Like decimation is only for like optimizing your high poly.
Yes, optimizing high poly, and then you can export the model and you can import into another software. Otherwise, other software won't be able to import handle it. Like suppose you have 2 million, 3 million, most of the software can handle it. But if you have 20 million or 40 million, then most of the software apart from ZBrush won't be able to handle it. They will crash.
Okay, sir. Because I tried that without decimation, the Maya won't handle it. It won't open.
Yes, that's what. No, because Maya won't be able to handle it. That's why we decimate. Decimate to, if suppose I pre-process, if I press shift F, you can see it's really high poly dense polygon. It's 1.05 million polygon. But if I decimate this, it will retain all the shape and all the flat surface become flat. See, there is no unwanted polygons. Now it become only 2 lakh polygons. So getting my point. So like this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where is my file? Sorry. It's there, but where? I'm pressing F, but it's not coming here. Where is my file? I'm in edit mode only. Okay. This is strange. What happened to my file? My okay. Why it's not visible? It's showing it's there, but where? Where is my model? One sec. Second time happening the same thing, it vanished. And F is not frame. Frame is not working. Why? What nonsense. There's something wrong with your ZBrush.
Yes sir. मेरे भी सर पार्ट्स डिलीट हो जाते हैं, पता नहीं क्या क्या होता
Import. Now I'll control D one more time. 1.5 million one more time. I'll select the alpha brush and I create this surface. It's correct only. So why it's like vanishing? Okay. So let's pre-process current. reordering, done, decimate, done. So it's creating some issue here. Why? It's doing something very strange. It never happens. Delete it. Shift it. Like it should work perfectly without any problem. Okay, why I'm doing this? I have this Maya open already, right? So let's see तुम्हारा ये वाला part and ये वाला part. इसका where is the low poly?
सर पता नहीं इसमें आया नहीं, जैसे मैंने सेलेक्ट करके लेयर क्रिएट किया था।
Okay, no
Low.
problem. Okay, now you have this part. So these two are basically your high poly and low polys, right? This is your high poly. So freeze, freeze everything, reset everything, control D, -1. So this is entirely your high poly. And select this history. Now visible all, and I'll delete everything except that section. Hide and delete. Now my file become light. I just optimize it, get rid of all these unwanted things. So optimize the more file to get rid of anything unwanted. It should technically delete everything. I don't know why it's not deleting. Okay, now you have this thing, and this is your high poly. Now you want to create a low poly. So suppose I want to create a low poly on this, so I can simply select this, make it a live mesh, because I couldn't find the high low poly. So let's do it. And if I want, I can switch on my symmetry also, X symmetry. Symmetry is on. Let's create the shape. One more loop here, one more loop here, just to make it a little smoother. It's way too angular right now. So this is my low poly, which is ready for everything. So relax it, make sure smooth distribution of polygon. Now it's done. And if you want to match the slight volume also, you can always push it, push. You can definitely do all this thing and match it. And this base also, if you want to match it perfectly, add one more cut and fill it, and then make sure relax the poly distribution.
सर ये क्वाड्रो अपना लो पॉली की लेयर में बनेगा ना?
क्वाड्रो किसी लेयर में नहीं बनेगा, क्वाड्रो अपना मॉडल बनाएगा बस, लेयर तुम्हें बनाना है. Okay, so I can see this is one unwanted cut. This happened. Correct. Delete. Now overall, so snapping is on. Switch off. Snap. Push it. I can push it like this, or you can just simply face mode. Push it like this and normal reverse. Reverse. Model. Array. I just flipped it. Why? Why it's working like this? History. Delete history. And go to mesh display. Unlock any normal issue is there. Then you can just simply click on set to face. It will become all angular. Again, doing the same thing. Strange. That option, with that option, it's working perfectly. Display reverse. Now it's fine. Smooth model. Now it's a perfect low poly model with the thickness. So I can see there's some shading. That means some normal issue is there. So what you can do is go and click on unlock and then click on set to face. So you can see something happened here. I might have clicked it accidentally. Reverse. Now everything is clean. Now you have a high poly and a low poly, right? So I'll go to a low poly UV. I'll apply automatic. See, fold layout. UV is done. If I want, I can stitch this part with this also. Like technical, this should be correct. Layout done. So now you can see that your concern was like there is a volume difference. The high poly is outside your low poly, but will it bake or not? Right? It will bake perfectly without any problem. So unwrap is done. Export selection, desktop. This is your low poly, and this one is my high poly. Baked, exported. Close this thing. Don't save. Switch on your substance. I feel my system becomes slow. Low poly. And we're working in Maya, so OpenGL. Model is selected already. Okay. Take, select your high poly. So you can see cage file, and then under cage you have max frontal distance, max rear distance. So first try to make it in default only. If there is an issue, I'll push the frontal distance. See, it baked everything. So it's 512, that's why it's like this. If I bake it in 4K, see, super crisp, clean, no issue at all.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
So then तो सारे पार्ट बेक ही हो जाएंगे, लाइक जो आपने स्टमक का भी दिखाया था फिर.
So most of the area will bake. Like that's what I'm saying. Key, what I'm trying to explain is don't get confused. There are now previously we used to create a low poly, like which is like really low poly. There is no detail at all on your low poly model, right? Now you should know the mid poly also. So mid poly, when you have enough poly, suppose I have this chest plate, and in my low poly I have only 500 I have only a few hundred polygons for this. Suppose in that case I'll create only the basic shape what I created now, right? Whatever is achievable within that
Yes.
poly budget. So I didn't give you any poly budget because because you can use, so that you can create a nice detailed model and use it in your portfolio. But if you want to suppose I have for just for the chest plate I have 3000 polygons, then what I'll do, I'll create this basic shape, just a squarish cubic shape, and place it there, so that I have that volume in my low poly also. Is it clear now?
Yes.
So that's how
Yes.
we work. Like because you this chest part, if you want to make it a hero element of your scene, so then you will create a mid poly. If it's just a normal part, I'll keep it low poly, really low poly. It will bake easily without any problem, without any issue, and then we'll just simply bake it. And we can create low poly. You can see this. You can see you have all the volume. See, it looks like a high poly only. You can see all the volume, all the shape, all depth, all your overlapping, everything is there. So game engine works differently, where you can create a very good quality high poly, bake all the information, and then generate all this thing. Is it clear?
Yes.
Any other doubt?
Mm.
Anything you can ask, I'll explain. That's fine. That's fine. Completely fine. So basically, you have to, yes, tell me. Chintan was saying something, and then he.
no, sir, no, sir.
Okay. So if there is no doubt, then okay, then enjoy. So now if it's clear, so refine your finish your clean your low poly. Do not add any unwanted edges, unwanted loops. Like if you're adding anything, make sure there is a use of it. Like there is like some, if it's a smooth surface, you can see it's a this base low poly is pretty low poly, like literally very low poly model. So but still you can see from side I can see almost looks like from a distance it will give me that curved feel automatically. Only like if it's a this arch, this surface I can see it looks little angular. So what I can do, I can add little one loops in between and make it little bit smoother. Right? Curved surface always requires more polygons. Flat surface doesn't need more polygons, but it will bake everything automatically because this curve is in model and it is visible. So this, for this section, I have to add a loop here and make it slightly curved. Add a loop here, make it slightly more curved. So same thing repeats here also. So those section I need to keep in mind and blend it. Like this corner, for this corner I added one more loop and made it like this thing, angular. So those things you need to keep.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So like this, create everything and bake all the information and explode your model, then bake it, and then bring back your unexploded model back to your substance, and then start texturing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then I'll see you guys on Monday then.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye. Welcome.
Sir.
Huh? Okay.